So I'm going to have a go today at doing a magazine transfer. I'm going to use this book here called The Way Things Work, and it's all about innovation from probably the wheel right through to atomic energy. And I've picked this one out here called Mechanical Clocks and Watches. I'm quite intrigued with all things gears and cogs, because I love sort of steampunk themes, so I thought I'd have a go with this. I'm going to use this lamp black. It really does stain the Gelli Plate more than any other of the colours that I use. I think I only need a very small smearing of this, and it's opaque. AMSTERDAM lamp black, and it's opaque. And let's see what happens when I attempt to do a magazine transfer. Just interested in getting some of the text off, and pictures of the cogs and wheels. Just really is dependent on the amount of paint that is on the plate. Really have to ensure that you don't have too much on. Right, fingers crossed. There's another rather nice one here on the other side as well, so I might be able to use that. Again, this is still classed as a single pull. First pull. Whoa! Let's just square that up a little bit. And now I'm just going to let that dry, and I'm going to put some titanium white, or I might even go for a transparent paint to see what happens there when I try to pull this. So I'll let this dry, and then I'll carry on. I'll come back to you. So I think this is dry now, and I've decided on a yellow ochre, which is opaque, not transparent, and this is by AMSTERDAM again, and it's, as I said, yellow ochre. And we need a very thin coating of this as well. I think the trick is with the amount of paint you apply, because it can go dreadfully wrong, as it did in my first experiment, which went dreadfully wrong. But I spared you that, and spared my embarrassment too. This is fairly well stuck down. There we go. So again, a single pull, and that is what people would class as a magazine transfer, although it's not out of a magazine. It's out of a book by David Macaulay. So let's have another go and see if it works again. Okay, so we'll try again and see what happens this time. It's just making sure that you get that right amount of paint, not too much, not too little, just absolutely the right amount. This time I'm definitely going to use a transparent paint. That's it. That's if it actually works. I'm going to use the other side to the gears and cogs. I can see that it is coming off, but not quite as distinct as the first one that I did. Oops. Okay, that's looking good. Just whilst that's drying, I'll show you a few more that I did some time ago. From the same book. This was a sort of pale green and a yellow. Here's another one from the same book. More gears and levers. And these are going to be good for layers and future videos that I'm going to do. Here's another one as well. So these are all from the same book. This time I'm going to use a transparent acrylic paint once this is thoroughly dried. So I think that's dry now, and I'm going to put some of this lovely green gold onto it. This is transparent. You can tell that it's transparent because this is golden, and this little strip of colour is put on by hand, and you can see these bands underneath, so that shows that you can actually see through it all, so it's transparent. Very, very good quality acrylic ink. So another thin layer. I don't know what that is there, but try and get, I think it's come off of my roller, my brayer. Try and get rid of it there. Put this over the top. When you're transferring magazine pictures or print, it's always lovely to add them to your collage, and that is going to be something I'll be showing you how to do and giving you ideas in the near future. So, whoa, that's really in your face, isn't it? But the principle is there. Again, it's a single pull. So we have these two here that I've just done. to show you how it works. I've got this one here that just didn't turn out at all. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad, and I hope you enjoyed that. There's going to be more examples and experiments in the weeks to come. As I said before, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. It helps the channel grow and enables me to show you more ideas and to encourage you in your wonderful journey with the gel plate and using it to create layers on paper to make some wonderful textured pieces of art. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again very, very soon.